Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make mushroom cabbage pakoda. It's a famous street food recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. This is 250 grams of mushrooms, finely chopped. Wash it, squeeze out the water and add into a mixing bowl. 150 grams of cabbage, finely chopped. 1 onion, finely chopped. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, also called maida. 1/4 cup of corn flour. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Some salt. Without adding water, mix all of this well. Water in the veggies is sufficient to mix this. If you need water, just sprinkle 1 or 2 spoons and mix. Add some curry leaves. Heat some oil for frying. Bring the flame to medium heat. Add the pakoda mixture into the oil little by little. Fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. It's a great tea time pakoda. It's really delicious. Do try this recipe and share your feedback about the recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.